Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Valentine's Day nails. We're going to be starting off with my crusty dusty nails. I'm going to be using 180 grit sanding band, and I'm using a low RPM just to take off the dirt and like excess gel from my last set. Then I'm going to go in my Mono One's nail dehydrator. I do 2 coats of this on my both hands just because I feel like it takes out all the oil from my nail beds. I tend to have really oily nail beds, so if you're someone like me, I recommend doing 2 coats. Then I'm going to be using my Apres primer. This is my absolute favorite primer. I haven't found anything else that can beat this. And I also put 2 coats of this on each hand. I'm going to be using the Beetles nail glue on my natural nails just because I feel like with the Apres Sculpted tips, it just gives it a really good apex so my tips don't break off my nails. Also, the Beetles nail glue is like super affordable. I get mine on Amazon and I get a 2-pack for like 14 bucks, so you cannot go wrong with that. I'm going to go ahead and cure that gel for 30 seconds. The nail tips I'm going to be using is the Sculpted extra long Almond. I've been really loving this shape and this length recently. Usually I'm a square girl, but I've really been loving this. Just remember when you're sizing your tips not to go too big and not to go too small. I actually spent like 10 minutes doing this because right now my nails were pretty short. Usually when my regular nails are like longer, I go for like a bigger size, but that's why I was having a little bit of trouble and there's like these weird edit cuts in there. I'm going to be using the Apres Gel X Prep to scrub underneath the tips, just because this acts like an extra layer of primer and it keeps my nails on for about like a month or 2. I totally apologize for this footage, but this is essentially me just putting that same Beetles nail gel on top of that primer I put on before, so like underneath the Gel X tip. Don't know why that was hard for me to explain, but once I do that, I just use my finger to press that on since I don't have like that fancy lamp that's like, you know, the one that kind of looks like a light bulb. You know, like the Pixar lamp, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I don't have that. So for each time that I cure this, I do it for 60 seconds because I am super scared of getting contact dermatitis. So I definitely say when you are doing your tips, please do 60 seconds. Do not do under that. I know it can be hella impatient, but trust me, you won't regret that. Then I'm going back with a 180 grit sanding band and just removing any excess gel from the cuticle or anything that could possibly have gotten on the tip. Please do not judge my nail file, but I just use that to take off that little nub on the tip of the Gel X nails. Don't really know why it's always on there. But yeah, I don't really change out my files too much since first I do my own nails, and secondly, I don't really have to file anymore since I do Gel X. So the color I'm going to be using is this actually a free color that Apres sent me when I did a recent order since it was their 10th anniversary, and it's in the color Lucky Envelope, and I've been wanting a cherry red, and it's just perfect because Valentine's Day is tomorrow because I filmed this like Monday, and this will be going up on Valentine's Day. But yeah, I just decided to do a thin layer of that polish just because a Apres polish is very opaque. And yes, I do have a strong lamp, but you never know, like I do not want cured gel. And I just do it for all my nails. Then I'm going to go in with a second layer of that gel polish just because, like I said, I love my nails to be super opaque, and I don't like doing super goopy thick layers just because I don't know if my lamp is going to cure it all. But I just have to say I love this color, just like so sexy and like old school because of like this type of like red, this cherry red. I'm gonna go in with the Beetles top coat. Like I always say, you do not need to break the bank when it comes to a top coat. Beetles is a really good brand. Model Ones is another really good brand. Even Macart is a really good brand. Macart is like an OG. But yeah, so I just go over with a very thin layer. After I cure that top coat for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil that I got from AliExpress, and I'm just going to hydrate those cuticles after all that work we've done. This is super important to ensure that the skin around your nails is very healthy, and to always do this. Like, even if you already done your nails, it's been like a week, always put cuticle oil. It's gonna make such a huge difference in the skin health around your nails, specifically cuticles. But yeah guys, this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!